Shalom, we met again in our reflections during morning time this Saturday. Well, our memory text we'll find in Ezekiel 18 verse 22. None of the offenses he has committed will be remembered against him because of the righteous things he has done. He will live. Ladies and gentlemen, I will talk about the Jacob trials. During the time he held tightly the angel, the time that with the tears, this messenger of God has a purpose to test Jacob's faith, include remind him about the iniquity he ever done. He has done many times. And this angel tried to release him, but he never released. The Jacob recognized, or the Jacob knows, that God merciful, then surrender to the mercy of God. For he confessed the sins and woe, while begging, set him free. As Jacob looked back of what he has done before, he almost desperate. And Jacob, but then still hold tightly the angel. It will also happen to us. In the future, we might face it in the last day event. The Lord or God will test our faith. The Lord our God will test our beliefs. My brethren, remember, the patience of us also will be tested by the Lord. Are we fully surrendered to Him?